Welcome to Boundary Ford, located 2502 50th Avenue, Mr. Border City. Today we're taking this beautiful pre-owned 2021 Ford F-150 XLT. The exterior color is white, and under the hood is a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front, we have automatic headlamps as well as fog lamps, and over to the side, we have 19-inch aluminum wheels and Goodyear tires, as well as color-match handles and black mirror caps. This 2021 F-150 also comes with remote start, as well as an engine block heater. At the rear, we have a power lift tailgate, as well as a rear camera with reverse sensing systems. At the interior, we have driver-friendly features including power locks, power windows, as well as mirror settings and lots of door storage. Make your way into the cabin, you'll see your lovely cloth black seating. Adjustments located on the side, as well as a lumbar support. Over our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp settings, as well as a tilt steering wheel with our cruise control option on the left and a median hands-free option on the right, which is above being a rear-view mirror of our cabin lighting. Looking forward to your 2021 F-150, you can see it has 64,804 kilometers on it, as well as over our center face, you'll see options available such as audio, phone integration, navigation, audio sources, as well as our applications, settings, and features, which is below being climate control area, which provides air conditioning and heating entire cabin. Alongside that, we have heated seats. If there are any more questions about this beautiful pre-owned 2021 Ford F-150 XLT, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answer any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.